All right, guys, let me share with you opportunity with GFTava. I've received a lot of videos and a lot of inquiries about who is GFTava and how does it work. So in this video, I will explain to you how GFTava technology and the innovative trading system works and how you can benefit. This is basically for educational purpose. So after going through the video, then you can decide whether you prefer to work with GFTava or not. So by going further, let me start by sharing the website with you so you could be able to see how the website look like. As you can see, GFTava Derivative, it means the company trade on derivative. It's a fintech and innovative trading company that, and also the first ever digital derivative trading platform that hedge with the gold bars, the gold bars, and it's also fully authorized by FSC to trade financial products. So basically, GFTava or an institutional trading company. Know what I mean? So going further, let me show you some other features about the company. GFT Gold. GFTava Gold is a traditional alternative asset backed by 99.99% Lambda certified gold bars, securely stored in a bricks vault in London and across other regulated exchange worldwide. For example, there are different companies. Any trading company must have an exchange or a broker or a particular trade house where they are trading. Even if they have their own platform, they may also have their own liquidity. You know what I mean? So if you have a portfolio of $5,000 and above, up to 50% of your money will be hedged with physical gold on another exchange, and 50% of the remaining money will be allocated to manage through derivative trading platform, which is the popular trading platform some of us are already used to. Then they also have a digital platform that also hedge with real gold. So like the digital token that allow them to hedge their asset classes with gold. And then now on the digital platform, you can be able to see how it works. Then they have automated trading system, which is like a multi-automation, multi-asset trading platform that is powered by AvaTrade. It executes multiple orders within the same minute, providing a powerful solution that enables high net worth clients to connect their portfolio. Portfolio means account, while maintaining full control of their access to the account. So to participate, you must first of all obtain a trading account with AvaTrade. You know, GFTava, that's where the name comes from. Company under AvaTrade. Basically, they're also AvaTrade partner. They're partner of AvaTrade. So have a account of at least $5,000 to connect on that. So you may think it's high, but no, it's not. I will also explain further to you for you to understand the basis of the company works. Now, as I've told you, trading through a fully authorized by FSC. So GFTava trade through various regulated firms that provide access to deep liquidity pool. This ensures that the GFTava strategies represent the actual performance of their trading activities, whether market is high or low. So why do you have to work with GFTava? For example, you are working class, you don't have time, or you are inexperienced, but you have some money. So let me explain to you. So you enjoy what is called stable and secure because of their investment, or your investment is backed with real world gold. It's not like where you're trading on something that doesn't exist. So a transparent, trustworthy, built on strong, innovative foundation. As you can see now, the account will be on AvaTrade while they are making executions. Although they still have their own digital platform as well, which I will show you too. So everything is very more transparent. And going further, additionally, you can also have the account hedge with up to 20% gold, because even $100 can trade on GFT, $500 can trade on GFT. So, but if account is up to 5,000, they will increase the hedging ratio maybe to 50%. For example, account of $100,000, they may put $50,000 to hedge on physical gold, while $50,000 will be on the account. So that's what they mean by this statement here. This statement, they said up to account of portfolio starting from 5,000, up to 50% may be allocated to physical gold. This is how institutional trading companies works. That's also one of the reasons why gold is going up, because many banks, many institutional companies are hedging their asset classes with gold. You know what I mean? So going further, let let me show you more. You can find out more about it. This is how the dashboard look like. I'm just refreshing. When you sign up, this is how the dashboard look like. You see your balance, you see your equity, then you see the asset class that is currently hedged with. You see this one. So, for example, like I told you, this is for educational purpose, so that you won't think otherwise. So you see that this is 1,100 gram of gold, and the value of it today is 135,300, and this is equity. This equity is the one trading on a other market floor, like trading on MT5 platform under AvaTrade. Then you can see my bonus. People have referred. You see how the bonus look like. So you see here, we update our trading performance report weekly, and in some cases monthly. Okay, in some cases monthly. Please note that the performance result may be positive or negative depending on prevailing market condition. Yeah, of course, the market can go up, it can come down. But what matters was trying to see if the performances are much better than yours, then you have to use a company that has much performance ratio than you. See, I've referred up to 50%, as you can see. So let me show you other ones. So if you want to okay, fund the account, you can fund the account here. Under fund account, you see how it works. And here you could also you can put in the money you want. Let's say you want to put like 40,000. You can put like 40,000 here, and you go in. You say make payment. I'm not making the payment, but I'm just showing you. You see duration, so you can choose for them to trade for you for 3 months, or trade for you for 6 months, trade for you for 12 months. Then you can select your mode of payment, either crypto or card, or any available crypto payment. Mostly, some of us in this part of the world can use crypto. Then when you go here, what it means that within these 3 months, you can also be withdrawing your profit. It's not that you're not going to profit, just that you have to give them like a duration that they should know your plan, what you want. It's not something you put in money, maybe in the next hour you say you want it back while they are trading. You know what I mean? So you can ask them to trade for you for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months, or as the case may be. Then if you go under my fund, you'll be able to see the ones I have. For example, I have this money here. It will expire. It will expire on this month by 23rd. Then I have this one here. It will expire by July. Then, of course, I will definitely ask them to continue. Then here, if you see history of your transactions, like here you can see my bonus withdrawal, my withdrawal. So, because I refer some people, so I make some money. So you can also make money from referring people. Please take note, it's not a scheme. So you won't think that because there's a referral bonus, it's not like a scheme. Every company has a referral commission, including other brokers. So you could make 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%, depending on what they're offering you for referral. But a broker may ask you, may give you lot size or volume. The more your referees are trading, the more you make more money. So okay, let me go more further on withdrawal. So if you want to withdraw your money, you go on withdraw profit. If you go on withdraw profit, oh, okay, see now I have 28,501. I think that will be the profit of this week. So I can place withdrawal here if I want to withdraw it, because under here, you could come in and say that I see a profit based on performance. But sometimes when there's no profit, you're not going to see anything. And you may see that the equity may be low, or, yeah, of course, may be low because probably there's no profit. One thing you need to know about a company is that companies have effective risk management than individuals. So it's good. One of the advantages of using companies to trade, like hedge fund company, portfolio management company, asset management company, is that they are companies, so they maintain their integrity and they can be able to protect themselves, and they are good in effective risk management. Then let me also remind you of something. As you can see, it's the first ever digital derivative platform that is hedged with real gold bars. So this is the first one. Some of us who invest in international financial market or financial market entirely, we leverage. It doesn't have any hedging. So sometimes market can be very terrible, and people will lose money, you know what I mean? But now it's not that possible to come up and see that your account has been liquidated because your account is now hedged. This is a company that does their own internal trading institutionally. So they know what they want to do, organize themselves. Also, do you know that you also be making profit on gold? The price of gold goes up on the spot, you also make profit there. Then the price of gold on derivative and future goes up, you also make profit. So basically, making profit, not just, it's not that they trade only on gold, derivative and future, they also trade on other instruments like maybe commodities like oil, or that stuff that they can trade, but everything is a hedge with gold in terms of in case of market risk and volatility. So here I can maybe check my withdraw profit, withdrawal bonus. You can also click my withdrawal. Under my withdrawal, you will see the history of, in case, okay, this is history of withdrawal. Like you see the ones I've done before. Withdrawal. This one was cancelled. I don't know why it was cancelled. So, but you see the history of your withdrawal. Then on MAM automation, that's multi-account management automation. So you can be able to, this is where to connect your own account on automation. So you see our MAM automated account is specifically designed for clients who prefer focus exposure to CFD derivative and leverage trading only. Understand, gold hedge is not leverage. So, and it's not CFD, it's a spot market. So now, if you just prefer on your account to be on leverage product, which is common to us before now, so you can use the MAM account, which I'll show you on the home page. So with that portfolio diversification, it means you're not diversifying. So you're investing directly on the leverage product and derivative product through their partner. The account is registered under a trusted partner. I told you there is transparency, AvaTrade, and powered by our proprietary MT5 MAM platform, that multi-account management platform. So if you haven't yet obtained a verified and funded trading account through AvaTrade, then probably can click on their link here. So you may have minimum of 5,000, but here is 10,000, but I'm sure many of our students are coming in with 5,000 and probably they have to change it. Then you have up to 5% performance fee to 30% performance fee. Currently, our students are charged 5% performance fee. Then because the account is on AvaTrade, you are the one that will choose their leverage. They can't choose leverage for you. So you see what I'm trying to tell you, this is their own platform, their own dashboard. It's not AvaTrade dashboard, but because their partnership with AvaTrade, so account on AvaTrade client, all AvaTrade clients can connect their account on GFTava. All of them. In fact, many AvaTrade clients are using GFTava, while some of them are also using their own platform internally. So you may have to know, sign limited power of attorney to authorize them to make execution. Of course, AvaTrade will ask you for this document, AvaTrade. So AvaTrade will be able to see it from you. You send it to them. Then also send a duplicate to GFT, which is their partner, and they now link their account together. So all you have to do is just to relax, and their money will be counting for you. You know what I mean? So here, once you have done that, you could come in here. Let's say you have an account of 5,000, you can say $5,000. Then, oh no, sorry, you put your account number. Maybe your account number is 4444 now. The account number, then you can put maybe the amount of money you have there. Let's say you have $60,000. Then you go and proceed. Then you proceed. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So successful. So I have submitted it, but because it's not really, that account number is not really account, of course, they will decline it, but I'm just trying to demonstrate to you how it works. Let me check strategy. What's on strategy? The strategy is okay. Is about how they operate. So you can see that they have key focus. They focus on gold, spot, and precious metals. They focus on commodity derivatives, and they also focus on energy markets, such as crude oil futures, Brent crude and WTI. They also focus on natural gas derivative. So now understand, gold spot is the only product that is physically accessed. Derivative and the oil and derivative and other ones, of course, is settled more in cash. So gold is used for hedging. That is what big companies, big institutions are using. And that is also why many companies are doing perfectly well than retail traders. And there's no difference between you and institutional company. You know what I mean? There's no single difference between you and institutional company. It's just some of you have a lot of money that could run an institutional trading system, but you put it on a retail platform and started struggling with it. Let's say you're in a working class and you are busy or you are inexperienced, you're not making profit. You want something that can work. You want something that is scalable, something that can be sustainable. I think GFTava is one of the best platforms you can ever stay with, and you'll be able to connect and see how their performances is going. And the good thing is that any profit you're making, they only take 5% profit, and you will go home with 95% profit. You also make profit on the gold. Do you understand? So it's better. Some of you will go in and see your friend, see somebody on social media and give him your account, and the person will make profit and take 40% of the money, and you take 60%. And you may not even know whether the person is even experienced or not. You may not even know whether the person is authorized or not. Anyway, I don't blame you because some of these companies are not available within your race, so you only do like client-to-client business model. So, but now you could be able to navigate the services of proper hedge fund companies, portfolio management companies on the financial market that could be able to facilitate order for you, and you pay them 5% of their performance fee, and also be able to manage their risk and able to come. Somebody may be asking me, how much profit are they making for me? I can tell you this month, this year alone, they have made more than 50% profit also, because gold has gone more than that. Gold has moved from gold has moved from $82 per gram to $100 per gram, and has moved from 2,600 something to 3,500 dollars per ounce. And most of our students are actually doing perfectly better. Like as you can see, the profit I share with you now, I don't know, I think it could be this week profit. So there's always chances of getting money on GFTava regularly, and the account is there, and it's better than going to join one Ponzi scheme like that will come and wipe your money, claim to you that they are trading while they're not trading. They may be giving you fake profit or using your friend's money to pay you, also claiming that they are guaranteed. Of course, that's one red sign you need to know, because in the proper business structure, there's no guarantee. What you have to do is a focus. What are they expecting to gain? You know what I mean? And how do they manage their risk? So anyway, this is the best platform you can be if you want it. Like I said earlier, this is my YouTube channel. I'm here giving you guys for educational purpose. So but if you need more information about how to join GFTava, then you can look within this link. You see our Telegram channel, you see our contact, this thing. Then you can also see our link. Then you can be able to join GFTava, and we'll be able to also assist you in case you contact us to ask us more questions about how it works and how you can get on board. Thank you so much, and do have a lovely day, a lovely afternoon, a lovely evening, depending on the country where you are watching this video. Yeah, see you. Yeah.